In this video, we will be looking at linked loci within two alleles dealing with snakes. The traits for snakes are venom type, color, and length. In snakes, non-venomous is dominant to venomous, black is dominant to red, and long is dominant to short. Now we will look at a cross. A pure breeding, non-venomous black long snake is mated with a pure breeding short red venomous snake. The F1 were test crossed. Our confidence coefficient value is 0.76, and our R1 value is 24.66, and our R2 value is 19.11. So here we can see each F2 offspring's traits and the amount of offspring per cross. We have a total of 811. And on the right-hand side, this is just how we group the different types of crosses. We can look at both of our alleles to see how each trait crosses. We start off with our parents, which show no crossing. Up here, we see a single crossover 1 where only the left side shows crossing. In the middle, we see a single crossover 2 where only the right side crosses over. And on the bottom, we see a double crossover where both the left and the right sides are crossing over. And this basically is just showing the alleles and what they look like when they cross over. After finding all of our different types of crossovers, we can use our R1, R2, and C values to help find the probability of the event reoccurring and the probability that a specific gamete can result from this event. And this is just the math and how we get to the answers, and it's grouped by the different types of crossovers. And this is also the math for all the different 8 types of gamete probabilities and the math for each. Here we can look at the cross between a non-venomous red short snake and see it only crosses over on the left side. So we know that it's a single crossover 1. We take half of our R1 value, subtract it from our double crossover value, and we get a final value of 0.1054. On this one, we are looking at the frequency of a venomous black short snake, which crosses over on both the left and the right sides, so it would be a double crossover. To find the double crossover, you take half of the R1 value times half of the R2 value times the confidence coefficient, and we get a value of 0.0179. And these diagrams are just showing how the linked loci are crossing over on each of the different alleles. And these are my references.